While seeking accountability, we have a breaking update coming in. Lohit Hanumapura, an advocate and the state youth president of the Aam Aadmi Party Karnataka, has now filed a formal complaint with the Bengaluru City Police against the Karnataka State Cricket Association and the CEO of the Chinnaswamy Stadium following the stampede that claimed 11 lives during a public event. He's been alleging that there is gross negligence, mismanagement and lack of crowd control, as the advocate is now urging that the police files FIR, conducts a thorough investigation and takes strict legal action against those who were responsible for this tragedy that was avoidable. Imran, what do we hear as far as the complainant here in the case is concerned, and if there is any police action? Because we heard the Deputy CM saying that the police did their best, but according to the BJP, no permission by the police was given in the first place for carrying out this victory parade.
Well, absolutely. In fact, the police were quite stressed out the night before there. The entire Bangalore was out on celebrations. The cops worked till 5 in the morning, and what we're getting to know, even the opposition has alleged that the police did not give the permission for the victory parade, neither for the event. They wanted more time to be better prepared and to get reserve forces on the city before this side of event could happen. The leader of opposition, R. Ashok, has come out and even alleged that because due to his pressure from a senior leader in the government, that the permission was given, and that has led to a tragedy because the government and the particular leader was more interested in taking the credit out of the win of the RCBs, and that was a more focus yesterday, as even though the players were rushed in at the Vidhan Saudha, the ministers and their family members wanted to get more selfies and autographs rather than the entire win of the team or the fans were concerned, and due to which gross negligence, there is 11 people have lost their lives and 37 people are injured, and the government is brushing it off, saying that it was beyond their capacity and couldn't have been tragic.
Well, at least they did manage to get pictures and selfies clicked with the trophy and with the team. However, who will take blame for this stampede or this tragedy? Well, nobody seems to be raising their hands till now. Let's